News that's coming in. Bollywood superstars Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt have finalized their divorce settlement after 8 years. Angelina Jolie's lawyer has now confirmed to the media. According to the Associated Press, Brad Pitt's attorney has not immediately responded to request for comment, but Angelina Jolie's lawyer has now clarified that the divorce has been settled. The couple married in 2014. They share 6 children, and in 2021, a judge had granted both the parents joint custody of the 6 children. My colleague Sana is now joining me on the story. Sana, once the most sought-after and powerful couple of Bollywood, Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt have finally settled their divorce after 8 long years. Angelina Jolie had filed for divorce in 2016, and this divorce has been a very ugly one.
Absolutely, they were, as you rightly mentioned, a power couple, and this has been one of the longest divorce cases that we've seen when it comes to celebrities. And as per her lawyer, even Angelina Jolie is exhausted with all the hardship that she faced over the last 8 years. And of course, there are 6 children involved, there are properties involved, there are grants involved, and thus this takes a longer time. Of course, it was shocking when the divorce news came a few years back, and definitely now the former couple has asked for a 10 to 15 day period so that they can actually all the outstanding disagreements could also be solved. So I'm sure in a few more days we'll get more updates about how the divorce settlements look like for this former couple.
Right, Sana. And Sana, as you were also pointing out, that this is one of the longest divorce battles that we have seen coming out from Hollywood. A very ugly one. Both the sides were pointing finger at each other. And with the 6 children involved, it seems like a very long-drawn battle, but it has finally come to an end. Angelina Jolie's lawyer giving a comment to the media and saying that the divorce finally, after 8 years, has been settled. We'll try and reconnect with my colleague Sana. News that's coming in at the moment after 8 long years. Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt, the powerful couple of Bollywood, have finally settled their divorce. Angelina Jolie had filed for divorce in 2016.